Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today I will make this beautiful pattern. This is a multicolor pattern, but you can use for this pattern two color, three color or four color as you wish. And this is right side and this is wrong side. This pattern is 8 rows repeat pattern, and this pattern sets on 8 stitches. You have to cast on multiples of 8 plus 3 stitches, and you can use this pattern for any project, any sweater. So friends, let's begin. Friends, I have 27 stitches on my needle. I am going to start this pattern. This is first pattern. I am going to make second pattern. Slip 3 stitches, knit 5 with this second color, three, 4, 5. Slip 3, knit 5, 3, 4, 5. Slip 3, knit 5, 4, 5, and slip 3. Row 2 on wrong side. Slip 3, yarn back, knit these 5 stitches, 3, 4, 5, yarn in front, slip these 3 stitches, yarn back, knit 5, yarn in front, slip 3, yarn back, knit 5, 3, 4, 5, yarn in front, slip 3. Row 3 on right side. Now you have to start with this base color. Knit these 3 stitches, yarn in front, purl 5 stitches, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn back, knit 3, see, purl 5, knit 3, purl 5, knit 3. I have finished 3 rows. Row 4, purl all stitches for this row. I have finished 4 rows. Now you have to start with this third color. Knit these 3 stitches with this color, 2, 3, knit 1 more stitches, 4. Now you have to slip these 3 stitches. These are middle stitches of 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3. Now repeat starts. Knit 5, 3, 4, 5, slip 3, knit 5, 4, 5, slip 3, and in the last knit 4. I have finished 5 rows. Row 6 on wrong side, you have to knit these 4 stitches yarn in front, slip 3, yarn back, knit 5, slip these 3 stitches, knit 5, slip 3, knit 4. I have finished 6 rows, row 7. Now we have to start with this base color. Purl these 4 stitches, 2, 3, 4, yarn back, knit 3, yarn in front, purl 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn back, knit 3, purl 5, knit 3, purl 4, I have finished 7 rows, row 8, purl all stitches for this row, purl all. Friends, I have finished 8 rows and this pattern is over. So friends, when you will repeat these 8 rows, the pattern will look like this. So friends, if you like this video and this pattern, please subscribe this channel and like and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.